Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about the tissue system in plants. There are three tissue systems in plant. Number one is epidermal tissue system. Number two is ground tissue system, and number three is vascular tissue system. The epidermal tissue system or epidermis, it makes the outermost layer of a part of a plant, and the term epidermis is composed of two terms. Epi means external and dermis means skin. The epidermis is usually made of a single layer of cells, and all the cells, they are parenchymatous. So this is a simple tissue. The outer, the epidermis is covered with a waxy layer on the outside, and this layer is called cuticle. The cuticle, it has a protective role because it prevents loss of water by way of vaporization. So it helps in conservation of water. Moreover, it also prevents too much water seeping inside a plant part. Okay. Then the epidermal layer, it can have root hairs or trichomes. The root hairs, obviously they are present on the epidermis of roots, and hair-like structure on the stem, they are called trichomes. The difference is that root hairs, they are unicellular and unbranched and soft. Trichomes are multicellular, they can be branched or unbranched. They can be soft or stiff. In case of leaves, the epidermis has numerous pores. So the layer is interspersed with many pores, and these pores, they are called stomata. Stomata is a plural word, and the singular word is stoma. This diagram shows the structure of a stoma. There is a pore that is called stomatal pore, and this pore is surrounded by two cells. The cells can be in the shape of kidneys, or they can be in the shape of dumbbells. These are called guard cells. Chloroplast is present in guard cells, so guard cells also participate in photosynthesis. Then the surrounding cells of the guard cells, they assist the guard cell in certain functions. So these cells are called subsidiary cell, the one which are shaded in blue, and these are the remaining cells of epidermis. So stomatal pore, guard cells and subsidiary cells, they constitute the stomatal apparatus. Okay. Ground tissue system. Ground tissue system pertains to all the tissues other than epidermis and vascular bundles. So let us say this is a transverse section of a stem. This is epidermis, so this is not part of ground tissue. This is vascular bundle. This is also not a part of ground tissue. So let us see what else are remaining. So cortex is there, followed by pericycle. Then the central portion of cells is called pith, and in some cases you will find medullary range. These are radial arrangement of cells in between the vascular bundle. So cortex, pericycle, pith and medullary range, all of them together, they comprise the ground tissue system. In case of a leaf, the ground tissue system, it is called mesophyll. So mesophyll can be palisade or it can be spongy. So the portion of the tissue which is near the upper surface of leaf is called palisade mesophyll in case of dorsiventral leaf or dicot leaf, and the portion of mesophyll towards the lower surface is called spongy mesophyll. The cells are loosely arranged in spongy mesophyll, and they are tightly arranged in in case of palisade mesophyll or palisade parenchyma, you can also say. The vascular tissue system, it is composed of xylem and phloem. Depending on the arrangement of xylem and phloem, there are three types of vascular tissue system. They are called radial, conjoint closed, and conjoint open. With xylem and phloem, they are arranged on different radii. Then this arrangement is called radial arrangement. So this is xylem, this is phloem, this is xylem, this is phloem. They are on different radii. The radial arrangement is found in roots. In case of conjoint arrangement, both the xylem and phloem, they are on the same radius. So this is phloem, xylem, and this is phloem. They are on the same radius. If cambium is absent, then it is called a closed, conjoint closed. If cambium is present, then it is conjoint open. So conjoint closed vascular tissue system is found in leaves and monocot stems. The conjoint open vascular system is found in dicot stem, because secondary growth, it takes place in dicot stem, and the cambium, it plays a role in secondary growth. Cambium is a type of meristematic tissue, as you can recall. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.